Hello, friends. Let's begin our class with a prayer. Oh God, our Father, we thank you for being our good friend. We thank you for those who helped us with our work. We thank you for anyone who gave us a word of thanks, of encouragement, and of praise or appreciation. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेत डायलॉग रायटिंगला 5 मार्क्स आहेत. ह्या आपल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण डायलॉग रायटिंगच्या 6 प्रश्नांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. चला पाहूया. त्याच्यामध्ये 3 प्रश्न आहेत बघा, ए, बी आणि सी. ए, प्रिपेअर अ डायलॉग फ्रॉम द जंबल सेंटेन्सेस फॉर 1 मार्क. इथे तुम्हाला जंबल म्हणजे उलटसुलट प्रश्न दिले जातील, प्रश्न आणि उत्तर. ते तुम्हाला सिक्वेन्समध्ये लावायचे आहेत. बी, कम्प्लीट द डायलॉग फॉर 1 मार्क. इथे तुम्हाला प्रश्न नीट वाचून योग्य रिस्पॉन्स द्यायचा आहे, अप्रॉप्रिएट रिस्पॉन्स. सी, राईट अ डायलॉग ऑन अ गिवन थीम फॉर 3 मार्क्स. मिनिमम 3 मिनिंगफुल एक्सचेंजेस. इथे दिलेल्या टॉपिकवर दोघांचे प्रत्येकी 3 म्हणजे 6 डायलॉग आणि सुरुवातीला हाय, हॅलो, शेवटी थँक्यू, गुड बाय असे एकूण 10 डायलॉग तरी अपेक्षित आहेत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, डायलॉग रायटिंग करताना फुल स्टॉप, उद्गार चिन्ह, अवतरण चिन्ह, कॅपिटल लेटर्स या पंक्च्युएशन मार्क्सकडे नीट लक्ष द्या. दोन्ही व्यक्तींचं रिलेशनशिप पाहून विषयाला धरून आपलं कॉन्व्हर्सेशन पूर्ण करायचं आहे. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. क्वेश्चन 1. A. Put the sentences in proper order. I am reading a book. Which book are you reading? I am reading Wings of Fire. What are you reading? Answer. What are you doing? I am reading a book. Which book are you reading? I am reading Wings of Fire. B. Complete the dialogue. Do you like sports? Which sports do you like? See, answer. Yes, I like sports. Which sports do you like? I like football and basketball. Question number C. Develop a meaningful dialogue between you and your friend regarding the precautions to take during the pandemic situation of coronavirus. Minimum 3 exchanges. Answer. Precautions to take during pandemic. Tejas. Namaskar Raj. Raj. Namaste. Nice to see you after a long break. Tejas. Even I am very happy. Now we have to live with coronavirus, but with proper precautions. Raj. It's true. Wearing mask is mandatory. Tejas. Plus, we must wash our hands with soap and avoid touching nose and eyes with our hands. Raj, always sanitize our hands when we are out. Tejas, you are right. One more important thing is social distancing. Raj, if we perform our responsibility properly, we will surely stop the spread of coronavirus. Tejas, absolutely right. Save yourself and save others. Raj, let's stand together to fight against coronavirus. Second question. 1. I use it whenever I go to the public places. Do you know the importance of washing hands? When do you use a mask? Yes, I know it's necessary. चला सिक्वेन्समध्ये लावूया. Answer. Do you know the importance of washing hands? Yes, I know. It's necessary. When do you use a mask? I use it whenever I go to the public places. Second बघा, आपल्याला डायलॉग कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. Let's read the answer. Where do you spend your holidays? I spend my holidays at my grandma's place. Why do you like the place? as it's a cool place. C. Write a dialogue of minimum 3 meaningful exchanges on importance of games and sports in daily life. C. Answer. Importance of sports and games. Sita. Come Gita, let's play. Gita. I'm extremely sorry Sita. I can't come. I have to study a lot. Sita, I can understand your hard work to secure good marks, but do not underestimate the importance of physical fitness. Gita, what will happen if I neither involve in games nor in sports? Sita, don't you know that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy? Playing a sport or game trains and readies the child to face challenges. Gita, yes, it's a great secret to be confident. Sita, very true. You'll get more energy to finish your work in less time. Gita, thank you for your valuable guidance. Sita, you are welcome, dear. Gita, let's play for some time. Third question. A. Put the sentences in proper order. Because I'm not sure about the reality. No, I don't. Why don't you believe in them? Do you believe in all the news that you come across? Answer. Do you believe in all the news that you come across? No, I don't. Why don't you believe in them? Because I'm not sure about the reality. Second question, B, C, you have to complete the dialogue. Let's see the answer. Are there any situations when you get afraid? Yes, there are. What would you do if you were lost in a new city? I would contact the nearest police station. बघा इथे what would you do? You आहे तिकडे आपल्याला काय घालायचं I. So I would contact the nearest police station. C. Write a dialogue of minimum 3 meaningful exchanges on the importance of reading. Answer. The importance of reading. Tanish. Friend, have you read today's news? Tina. No. Is there anything special? Tanish. Yes. Our SSC board timetable is released. Tina. Really? Thank you, Tanish, for updating me. Tanish, it's okay. Please read every day for some time. Reading is a good habit. Tina, I know, but I don't like to read. Tanish, don't be silly, Tina. Ignorance of reading is ignorance of knowledge. Tina, I promise you that I will start reading. Tanish, always remember knowledge is power. Reading enlightens our mind and leads us from darkness to light. Tina, you are absolutely right. Thank you so much for your valuable guidance. Question number 4. Put the sentences in proper order. I learn Hindi, maths, social, English, science, and Marathi. In which class are you studying? What do you learn in the school? I am in standard 10. Answer. In which class are you studying? I am in standard 10. What do you learn in the school? I learn Hindi, maths, social, English, science, and Marathi. Complete the dialogue. See, let's see the answer. What will happen if you don't study well? I will miss my goal. Which school activity do you participate in? I participate in dance competition. C. Develop a meaningful dialogue between Manoj and his father regarding choosing a career. C. Answer. Choosing a career. Father, Manoj, how did you fare your exam? Manoj, superb. Dad, I will surely get good marks. Father, I'm proud of you, my son. Now, what are your future plans? Manoj, I'll choose either arts or science. I want to be a teacher. Father, Manoj, why don't you be a bank manager? You can avail many facilities like huge salary, bank holidays, loan with low interest, high interest on deposits, plus seek as well as earn leave. Manoj, I'm sorry, Dad. That is not my field of interest. Father, don't be silly, Manoj. You will surely lead a comfortable life if you get a post of a bank manager. Please tell me, why do you like to choose busy and hard life? Manoj, I think teaching is a noble profession. It is my dream. It's my passion and mission as well. I'll try my best to accomplish it. Father, I am proud of you, Manoj. You are matured. My blessings go with you. Bloom where you are planted. Manoj, thank you so much, Dad. I love you. Father, I love you too. Good luck and best wishes in what you do and plan to do. Question number 5. See, first question A. I prefer coffee, please. Thanks a lot. Would you like to have tea or coffee? Okay, two coffee, please. Answer. Would you like to have tea or coffee? I prefer coffee, please. Okay, two coffee, please. Thanks a lot. Complete the dialogue. Do your parents scold you? See the answer. Do your parents scold you? Yes, they do. How do you feel when they scold you? I feel very unhappy. See, develop a meaningful dialogue between you and your friend on the importance of regular studies. See, answer. The importance of regular studies. Ajay. Congrats, Atul. You have scored very good marks in this test. Atul. Thank you. The credit goes to my habit of regular study. Ajay. How do you manage it? Atul. It's simple. I have set a timetable. I study for 7 to 8 hours every day. Ajay. Do you cover all subjects per day? Atul. Friend, at first I complete my homework and then I read and learn only 2 to 3 subjects a day. Ajay. It's the best method. But how does it help you to secure good marks? Atul, regular study is a key to success. There is no shortcut. I learn, solve tests, and ask doubts to our teachers. Ajay, Atul, I am ready to work hard. Will you please help me to prepare a timetable? Atul, sure, why not? Ajay, thank you so much. Question number 6. Put the sentences in proper order. That's a great idea. Shall we plan to visit after exam? Have you been to Kashmir? Not yet. Answer. Have you been to Kashmir? Not yet. Shall we plan to visit after exam? That's a great idea. Complete the dialogue. See, answer. What kind of places would you like to visit? I would like to visit Kerala. Why do you like to visit such places? As I like natural beauty. C. Develop a meaningful dialogue between you and your friend on the importance of visiting different places. Answer. The importance of visiting different places. Anil. Hello, how are you? Sunil. I am fine. Where are you going? Anil. I am going to visit Goa. Sunil. How nice. A lovely break to your normal life. Anil. Yes, dear. Visiting different places makes us happy. Sunil. Surely we get information as well as entertainment. Anil. We can have fun with friends and family members. Sunil. It's very true. Goodbye. Have a safe and happy journey. Anil, thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye. Sunil, please don't forget to send some nice pics. Anil, yes, surely. फ्रेंड्स, आपण इथे संपूया. बघा, आपल्याला जेव्हा आपण स्वतःसुद्धा काही ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीटमधून आपले स्वतःसाठी डायलॉग रायटिंग तयार करून त्याचा चांगला सराव करायचा आहे. यू कॅन डू इट. थँक यू सो मच. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू अँड ऑल द बेस्ट.